Welcome to this short video explaining how to use the University and State Library, USL. In this video, we explain how you can obtain a library card, borrow books, and what kind of workstations we offer. Let us firstly address the question, how do I obtain a library card? You can apply for a library card online via our website. Click on the tab Using the Library and then select Library Card and User Account on the right-hand side of the screen. This will lead you to the application form to register to use the library. Then fill out all the fields of the library registration form. Your library card will be issued and can be collected from the loan desk at the main library or M&L branch library, depending on the location you indicated on your application form. You can now go and collect it by showing your ID card or passport with a registration certificate, as well as your student ID. Please remember that you cannot apply in person and that you have to use the online form. In order to access all the services in our Bonus search portal and also to book appointments, you have to activate your Bonus account. Under the Bonus search box on the USL website is a link to My Account. Click on it to open a registration window. Click on You are new, enter your user number, which is on the back of your library card, and then enter a password of your choice. You will receive a confirmation email and will be able to use your Bonus account from then on.
Once you have picked up your library card and set up your Bonus account, you may loan books from us. You can research the shelf marks of the books you want to borrow in our search portal Bonus. Then you can visit the library and take the books out of the shelves and borrow them at the lending desk. In the reading room, there are workstations where members of Bonn University can work quietly. For these workstations, you need to book a time slot via our website. In addition, there are approximately 50 workstations for all users. These cannot be reserved. Different kinds of workstations are available in the information center as well. Service PCs for researching our search portal Bonus, as well as our licensed databases, workstations with scanners, and group study spaces, the latter only for members of Bonn University. In addition, there are workstations with and without power outlets. All these workstations can be reserved in advance via our website. All the important information can be found on our homepage. We will also be keeping you informed via our social media channels. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. Any more questions? Please get in touch with our information services team. You can reach us by phone Monday to Friday during our service hours or anytime by email. You can find our current opening and service hours on our homepage.